Hello everybody, my name is Ton Chauhan and you are watching The Technical Fist, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can import FLV files into Adobe Premiere Pro. As you can see over here, I have two FLV files, and if I try to import any one of them to my Adobe Premiere Pro, you can see that it will not get imported and it will probably give me the error. As you can see over here, file format is not supported. So what you can do in this situation is, if you have created these FLV files using OBS Studio, which you mostly do, you can basically go to the OBS Studio. I have opened an instance over here. So open your OBS Studio, go to File and Remix Recordings. Now over here you will see a browse button. Go ahead, go to the browse button and select the folder. This is my folder. Okay, and select your video. So I'm just gonna select this and hit remix. As you can see, this doesn't take much time, and over here you can see the .mp4 file, and now you can easily import this in your Adobe Premiere Pro like this. See, as you can see over here, this is pretty easy and pretty simple solution that I found in order to use FLV files on Adobe Premiere Pro. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't, and have a good day.